How can you transfer or withdraw money or fiat balance from Exodus to your bank account? Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. In this video today, I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from Exodus to bank account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through this video. The first thing first is to go ahead and open up your Exodus wallet and log into your wallet, right? Once you're logged in here, now I'm having some issues right here. So once you're logged in, you want to simply click on the sell option. Now here you cannot find the sell option. I've not verified my account, but you can see buy and sell option. Head into sell and then go ahead and select the particular crypto that you would like to sell in order to convert it to fiat. Then you can simply choose the crypto you want to sell and then the fiat currency you want to receive. Once you do so, you want to enter the amount you want to sell. Then review the amount you'll receive. Click continue, then follow the on-screen steps to complete your sale. Now there on the receive, it'll give you the option to choose the account where you would like to receive the fiat currency, so you can enter in your bank account details and receive it directly. So this is how you can simply transfer money from your Exodus wallet to your bank account. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.